right?
Yo, top fix. Look at this thing, dude. Yeah, the wonderful dude, brother. Dude, super clean, bro. Look at that fit. Oh, a little push start. Key on. Yeah. Oh, that is mighty fine, dude. Listen to that thing.
It purrs, baby.
Yeah.
He literally drove through the arm. The arm is on the ground. You can, it's underneath the telephone pole.
Yeah. They just broke that thing off.
I wonder if that train's like not moving because of that.
Oh, just Pennsylvania things. Just trying to go for a cruise in the RX-7.
Waiting for a train.
This thing is so good. It runs so smooth. You're freaking killing it, man. Like, doesn't really buck. It sounds awesome. Cannot believe I'm driving this car. Well, I haven't driven this car on the street since 2003.
Right? Long time.
17 years ago. And then this car hasn't driven since 2012.
Yeah.
No, 2008. 12 years.
Yeah, 12 years.
Yeah. And yeah, that's the car I bought to learn how to drift in. Here we are, once again, driving her around.
That's right.
And it runs so good.
It runs fucking great.
We're still breaking it in. You know, you got what, 100 miles to go, he said?
Yeah.
Yeah, so keeping it under 5,000, keeping it about 2/3, or not 2/3, like half throttle.
Yeah. I think it's only seen like 35% throttle.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm going that high.
You're not even going that high.
I know, it's pretty light.
You can give it a little more,
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah,
I'll
but
give it a little bit more.
maybe
Is that
just
what you
there.
said?
They're turning, you got it.
Alright. Oh my god, it sounds so good. And the handle's really good too.
Yeah.
Like, you know, that's the way to put it on. Yeah, it's easy. Oh my god, I freaking love this thing, dude. It's so good.
It is nice. Little windy roads.
Yeah. And that
Doesn't
never thought I would drive this car again.
Yeah.
Just put it that way. There's a point in my life where I never thought I would see this car run again. Woo! Oh my god, dude. Just listen to it, man. You've done good, Tavix. You've done good. Oh man. Did not think I would see this car ever run again. But, you know, this was a build that, well, it's a car that I owned. I mean, you were there when I bought it.
I was busy. I took you to pick it
Literally
up.
took me there. It was Virginia. It was like 300 miles away. bought the car, learned how to drift it, did all my first builds in it, and then sold it, bought the Z, and been in the Z's ever since. But I started the rebuild on it, rebuilt the whole front end, and did these little Corvette lights and all these different mounts and everything. Pushed the radiator all the way forward, opened up this whole space, and that was on like 2012 to 13 or so, right before I got my Datsun. And then I was moving back to California, and I didn't really have the ability to take this thing. I was like, hey, Topics, I'll make you a deal.
Yeah, why
The
not?
deal was, don't let me hang, Tom.
Oh, my bad.
And the deal was, take the car, take all the parts, you know, you have a fun project, and keep it forever, but you're not allowed to sell it.
Yeah, I ain't selling it.
But yeah, so he finished the build on it. I flew out and helped with the little, you know, last minute things, which you might have seen in another episode. And since then, you know, added these little balancing tube, added the EGT ports after I left, added some, you know, the little water tank and things like that, and got it tuned, and it's actually running really, really good, dude. Really good. You know, we got the, you know, little Parts Shop Max lower control arms. We got the BC Racing coilovers. You know, we got some nice fits on this baby, getting her up and running. And now we got a DC power alternator coming for it too.
Yeah.
So this one's not keeping up. It's like a little 80 amp. We got like a 160 amp coming for it now. And then like, yeah, same thing. Since then, you know, you finished up with the interior, getting this all finalized, you know, getting a couple little switches and like this little centerpiece like finished up. But that AEM dash looks sick. So nice. Carpet, Recaro seats, the harnesses, like just super, super clean, man. I love seeing the carpet all back in it.